folks, today we are learning Died by Alice in Chains. I think this was the last tune they recorded with Lane, actually. I can't show you the pedal because I'm using the FLB prototype, coming soon. And do go get yourself on the mailing list over at Funny Little Boxes. You will hear first as soon as it's ready, which won't be long. Anyway, this is in drop D, down half a step. So let's dive in with the first riff. It goes like this. And around again, right? So the first three bars stay the same throughout. The fourth bar has a bunch of different fills. Also, if you pan the guitar parts left and right, there are two totally separate guitar parts playing. And sometimes there's a bit of overlap where you might hear one guitar playing and the other one playing, stuff like that, okay? But for the most part, this is what's going on. We have, so we've got chug, 10 to 8, all power chords on the A string. Here I think it's a double chug, so you've got two strings. And then you're going to go 8, 5, 5 with those slides. Next bar. That's cool, isn't it? So 2 palm mutes. You've got that going on, okay? Then we do this cool part. That's lovely. So you go open, slide up to the 6th fret, but you play 2 notes, I think, there. Then you go to the D5. And I used my first on my little finger, so I got my second finger to go back to the 6th fret, right? That's a single note. Note that. You do hear that, right? So you're playing 5, 5, 7 there. And then you're just playing. Then this run down. Lovely little triplet. So we have a little hammer on there, so 3, 3, 5, 0. Now let's go through the fills. Second time he plays. You've got a little bend. On the second time. I also plays that on the 6th time. 3rd, 5th and 7th time. Same as the first one, right? 4th time. Subtle difference. And then the 8th time. Big D5 chord. In fact, it's D sus2. Just rings out. That's probably the hardest part. I'll go through the lead stuff at the end. So this is the bridge part next. So the rhythm part would be. So that was the first 2 times of that, right? 5, palm muted on the 3rd fret. Then you go up to the 6th fret. And you slide. So you hold it out for like 2 8th notes or one quarter note, right? And then you do 2 palm muted until the last beat where you do 0, 2. First and 3rd time are the same. 2nd and 4th time. Subtle difference, you're just playing for that last bar, okay? Then it goes into the chorus. So you got that going on, right? I think the first time it actually plays. I think it just does that, and thereafter it does chug, chug, non-chug. Like that, okay? Anyway, I'm going to do chug. So we have slide, then you're just playing open strings. 7 of those. You do 3 times round of that phrase, and then you play. So that rhythm. Ba, 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 ba. Then you repeat all 3 sections round again. So, you know, all that stuff, okay? You now know all of the parts, but structure-wise, after you've gone around that whole lot again, into this. You go around that just twice. That's the second time around. Then we have. You go into that again, and then you do verse, bridge, and the chorus, which is. You do that 8 times, all right? And then the ending is just this. You just slow down from that. And end like that. Now, over the top of that, there's an overdub guitar part. At about 39 seconds, you hear 1, 2, 3, 4. So you've got like a D minor thing going on. I think that's a D minor. And then we have this. That's over the. Over that part, right? So again. Play that round twice. Next part goes, and this is over. Over that bit, right? You have this. 1. Like that. So we have a bend, full bend, and release. Comes in on the second beat. 3, 4, 1. And then 8, 7. And then on the forehand, play 7th fret. Like that, okay? Little half step bend and release there. And as I say, that's played over the chorus part. The bridge harmony then, this comes in later on, you have. But it's played here. Pretty straightforward, same rhythm as before. And another variation, this is at about 5 minutes 13. Towards the end, we go 3, 4, 1. Do that 3 times. 4th time, 3, 4, 1. One and a half step bend there. And you folks are done. Brilliant tune. I hope you enjoyed that one. See you soon.